Have you ever been to an AI workshop, sat there for 3 hours, it's death by slideshow, gone back to your business and nothing's actually changed? But no one actually shows you how to do it so that you make more profit, so that your business is more efficient, so that you can get more sales. Most AI workshops or seminars or training sessions show you how to use 25 or 30 different tools, and you're left scratching your head wondering where you even start. How can you use these tools not as toys, not as just something to play with like a gimmick, something that actually plugs into your business, makes it more efficient, automates processes, whips up new videos and ads, whips up new images, whips up new landing pages in minutes so that you actually get better results from your campaigns, your business is more efficient, you're more profitable, and as a result, your business can grow faster. Look, my AI workshop is for people who might have tried AI already. Most people have heard of AI, if not using ChatGPT at the very least. It's designed for business owners that want to stop just having fun with it and treating it like a toy and actually implement it in their business. Running an agency here, I've been able to be at the forefront of exactly what AI can do, the most cutting edge tools that are available, how businesses are implementing them to get more efficiency, get more profit, get more sales. And I want to share that now with everyone.